AK Athletics provides high-quality athletic padding equipment, ensuring durability and safety for various sports environments. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to install your AK Athletics wall pads securely and effectively. To get started, gather your tools. You'll need liquid nail adhesive, a level, screws, and an electric screwdriver. Remember, at least 2 people are needed for this project. Arrange the wall pads in the correct orientation before starting, and make sure to clear the wall or area of any debris before continuing. Step 1. Create a guideline. First, determine the height at which you want to install the wall pads, and then use a level or laser guide to mark a guideline for arranging and securing them. Step 2. Apply small, quarter-sized dollops of liquid nail adhesive to the back center and corners of each pad for extra hold. While this step is optional, it's beneficial. Just remember to wait 24 hours for the liquid nails to cure before putting the pads to heavy use. Step 3. Attachment. For stud walls, use a stud finder to locate the studs. For solid walls, you can skip this step. Align the wall pad with your guideline and secure it using 2 to 3 screws in the top and bottom margins using a screwdriver. Be sure to install the pads close together to avoid gaps. And just like that, your wood-backed wall pads are ready to go. By following these steps, you'll create a safe environment for athletes while enhancing the style of your facility. AK Athletics offers custom sizing and printing options to suit your needs. For more information, visit our website or contact the AK Athletics team today.